Okay, here's a quick run through on how to download your Eclipse software and your Java developmental kit through your company portal, which you should have access to at home, and you do not need to be on a district network or Wi-Fi. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your start menu and type in company portal. Alright, company portal. From here, it should take you to these right here, our newest apps that are on there. Otherwise, you might need to search for those apps. The first one you want to get is the Java Developmental Toolkit. This is the first one. You must get this first. When you go in here, you can install this. I have already installed it, but you would want to install that. Once you have the Java Developmental Toolkit installed, you'll next want to download or install your Eclipse software, located right here. And you would want to install this. Now, when everything does get installed, I typically like to do a restart on my computer, making sure that the Eclipse will then find that Java Developmental Toolkit to launch fine. And if you do that, you should see Eclipse pop up. And it does have a base platform that kind of looks like this. You have your Package Explorer, you've got your console down here, you've got areas for where you can code. So that's kind of what Eclipse should look like. Okay, again, Company Portal is where you're looking for this. Company Portal, your two applications are the Java Developmental Toolkit and the Eclipse IDE. First get the Java Toolkit, then get the Eclipse.